Okay, welcome back everyone. Today's flight is leaving the Boulder City Municipal Airport in Nevada. We're going to take a very short flight over the Hoover Dam and see how close we can get to it. So the Hoover Dam is located in the Black Canyon area and obviously harnesses the water from the Colorado River, and it borders Nevada and Arizona. And the first thing you notice is there's nothing but dirt out here. Very few roads. If you like living alone and being by yourself, this is the place to be. Alright, so here's the dam coming up on the left. Here's the Colorado River. I don't know how close I can get to it without crashing into this mound of dirt ahead of me. Yeah, this is tough to get to without crashing. Oh boy. Okay, so now we're going to fly under the bridge from this direction. Maybe. Oh yeah. Come on, get under. And now over the dam. Wow, definitely got some turbulence from doing that. Great shot of the Colorado River. Let's see if we can fly down this canyon. Alright, okay, keep it together here. You know, this is going to end horribly at some point.